Are you ready for bacon? Are you ready for cheese? Are you ready for an egg on that burger? I hope so, because Top Jimmy knows how to cook. You know where it all begins. It all begins with the meat and those great ingredients. Look what we got here for you guys. 10-ounce burger. It's got bacon and cheddar already in it. I've done that before. You guys may have seen it before. Absolutely fantastic. Always start with your meat. How about that frag out flavor? Salty Sergeant, going to introduce it to you today. There's one egg. It's going Sunnyside. And this is a brioche bun. Wonderful. How about sharp cheddar back here? And some of our garlic sauce that we're going to be putting on our bun. Fantastic. Fantastic. Now you guys know you got to season that burger, and I always say, as I've done in other burger videos, let that meat come back to room temperature. Big burger, 10 ounces, and with the brand new frag out flavor, this is a great thing that I've just gotten, and it's got some fantastic stuff in it. Sea salt, onion, garlic, turbinado sugar. It's got some secret spices. They actually put some hickory smoke in it, and it's just a wonderful thing. Salty Sergeant, of course they call it that, but it's not over salted, it's just a great name. And guys, we gotta season that burger, watch this. Right on top of there. And like I always say, right before it goes in, that's when you wanna season your burger. Why? You don't wanna draw a lot of moisture out of that meat. You want that meat to shine and the seasoning only to enhance it. There you go. There is our Ninja. Gonna have it on the air crisp function today. So all we're gonna do is adjust our time. I'm gonna leave that temperature right there, and we're gonna bring this down to 4 minutes on each side. That is all you need. How about that burger? Look at that, guys. Seasoned, ready to go. Let's put it in there on the rack, just like that. Ready to cook. Give it the big close, and here we go. There we go. I do believe our first 4 minutes are done as the Ninja does power down. Let's give it a look, folks. Look at that burger. Is it done? No, it's halfway done. See, you guys? Cheese already starting to melt, and we've got some of that really, really good juices in the burger there. Oh, let's get this thing flipped. There we go. Let me bring it back to you towards the middle so you can get a good focus on that. Wow, doesn't that look good? All right, 4 more minutes. But 1 minute before cooking time ends, we're gonna add our cheese and we're gonna add our buns. Let's start. Oh my goodness, look at that. Looking pretty good. And now it's time to add our cheese. We're gonna just put 1 slice on the burger, just like that. And our buns, which I have put the garlic sauce on, I'll put them on each side on the rack here. We'll move our burger just a touch and leave a little bit of a space for our buns, and we'll continue cooking. We're almost done. Be right back. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? It's time to open it up and take a look. Oh man, look at that, you guys. Absolutely jacked that one up. Somebody bring yellow tape. I got a crime scene here. Woo! Crispy buns, look at that. Bun here. How about some more crispy? By the way, that was very, very hot, so that other bun goes here. Oh, I mean, you gotta absolutely love that. Yeah, I just zoomed on it. My goodness, let's load them up. Do believe I've got a nice little presentation going for you here. This burger is going to come out, and it's gonna go right on our bun. Look at that. See how it stays very, very juicy? The cheese is melted. Oh, it tastes good. Oh my goodness. Perfectly. That is fantastic. You guys ready to cook an egg? So am I. How about a little bit of butter in yonder? What do you say? Pan's been heating up just a little bit. Got that butter going. Yeah, there we go. We're not messing around. Can we get an egg cracked? Sunny side. It's gonna start to cook. There we go, looking good. And as you can see, usually I'm gonna start cooking my egg kind of slow. Let it go in that butter as it starts to heat up like that. Not gonna touch that. Let's get it rocking. I do believe our sunny side is done. I'm gonna do a little More. Here you go. It's coming right at you. Oh, let's see if it breaks. Let's see if I can drop it right there. Let's see if I can drop it right there where it should be. Did I nail it? Oh my goodness, kids. Look what I did. Absolutely jacked it up. Got a little trick for you there, guys. How about just a touch more? Look at this, guys. Perfectly cooked in here, that egg. And I'm going to add just a touch more of the frag out right on top. Not too much right there. Give you a little bit of this. Are you ready for a cool trick? Watch this, watch this. I'm going over easy. I'm going sunny side. Watch the ooey gooey. Oh my God, look what I just did all over my burger. That is gorgeous. Are you guys ready to eat? You better be. All right, gonna take a look at my burger, my good looking burger here. I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut this thing in half. This is a request of Kimberly, one of my fans here, who said, cut your burger in half. We gotta see that deliciousness in the middle. She's exactly right. So Kimberly, let me separate it for you. Look what we got in here, guys. Oh, my goodness. That's just, what's that Frankie Goes to Hollywood sign? I'm too sexy? I have no idea. Maybe it's not that one. Maybe I'm missing the wrong beat. I'm Top Jimmy. I'm a Van Halen fan, so who knows. But guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I can't waste any more time. I have got to start eating. Hey, I hope you guys will like and subscribe. You're not going to miss any of the goodies we're going to be cooking here. Make sure you leave some comments. Until next time, Top Jimmy does it again.